Turtle.
What? I can't hear you, Sonny. Speak up.
Turtle.
Turtle? I had a pet turtle once.
Bloop, bloop.
What? He was my only friend.
Oh, what happened to that turtle?
Shut up, I'm talking.
Alright.
I named him Bartleby.
Bartleby, huh?
Shut up.
I'm sorry.
And Bartleby was my only friend.
Oh, I feel sorry for you.
Shut up. We went everywhere together.
Oh, man.
Went to the ice cream store.
Oh, God. It's
And
a turtle.
shut up. He liked truffles. And Bartleby. I ran him over with my scooter one day.
Turtle murderer.
Shush your mouth.
Turtle
Bartleby wanted to die.
Bartleby didn't want to die. You killed him.
How would you even know that? You didn't know Bartleby.
How do you know I did it?
Bartleby didn't appreciate the life I gave him.
Well, you shouldn't have ran over with your scooter.
I didn't mean to.
Oh, sure.
He said, Ella, I want to die. Can you run me over with your scooter? And I said, now Bartleby, that's not a good idea. I've given you a great life here, and you've got all these friends like me and Mr. Muffins, who was the rock friend that I had.
Muffins.
Mr. Muffins was the president of Rocktopia anyway. And Bartleby just said to me, he said, I just don't want to be in this life anymore. And I said, but what if I let you free and you were a uncivilized turtle? And Bartleby said, no, I just want to die. So I rolled him over with my scooter.
Oh, I understand now, but let's get into Mr. Muffins, a rock.
He was the president.
A rock.
I had a lot of friends.
A rock.
I didn't have any friends.
Exactly, a rock.
Yeah.
A rock. Oh,
Not everyone can be Bartleby. Mr. Muffins was a close second best friend a girl could have.
A rock. I still think it's a rock.
It is a rock. Why do you say that?
Because rocks are stupid.
You're stupid.
They don't even move.
Yeah, well, I went to grad school.
Grad school?
I didn't sweep the parking lot at McDonald's like someone present. Nah.
Yeah.
You old man, go die. I'll run you over with my scooter.
I remember that. Go ahead. I want to die.
What?
That conversation is over. I am leaving.
Good, I never liked you anyway.